guys. So I am going to do review of the latest version and the most high spec version of Phillips electric toothbrush. So the packaging comes like this. Let me open the box. Oh. Ew. Right, the moment I open the box, there's a welcome message. I know it's the other way around. Okay, so the welcome box, and there's like kind of a instruction, information on different refills and stuff like that. And composition of what's in the box, I think. And right, the inside the box, it comes in 2 parts. This is like the most high-end version of Phillips, like available right now. So right, it's a warning sign. Because it's an electric good. So as you can see, so like individually wrapped up, in a vinyl kind of. I think it feels like I don't know, very eco-friendly, like a biodegradable kind of like polyvinyl or whatever. So I think that's the handle. I got the black version. I wanted to buy white version because even with like a toothpaste like flowing over your handles, and it's very difficult to clean. With black, just like black cars, it's very obvious. So, but it's out of stock in Korea for some reason. So maybe they thought black would sell more, but white is more in demand anyway. So white seems to be out of stock in the country. So I bought myself this, right? This is the handle, and I think their sensor, whether it's too hard or not, I don't know if it's behind the science, but you have the light thingy indicator. Ooh, that has all the, because it's the highest version, so it's got each one of all the available refills, and okay, so each individual comes in a plastic thing like this. Okay, it's a diamond clean version, but I've got this. You can get all the information from the website with all the differences between all these different refills. Some they're all sonic brushing. You see the tongue brushing one. Here I've got the this rinsing cup. I think this is the patented technology. So charger with the cup, where you can just leave the handle like this in the bathroom and charge it, right? And it being the highest version, so you have the trouble kit charger, so you can actually whoa, this is big, because I've got Oral-B's high-end travel kit charger. You can put like 2 brushes like this, and looks the same from the front, but wow, okay, it feels quite bulky, to be honest with you. And of course it feels leathery, so more expensive in a way. It can be 2